Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ramadhani Syafitri. My student ID number 171201025 KSH7. Diceros bicornis conservation effort in Tanzania. Translocation and other challenge. Next, type slides. Dicerorhinus sumatrenan, Rhinoceros sondanicus, Rhinoceros unicorns, Ceratotherium simum, dan Diceros bicornis. Next, critically endangered. Critically endangered is the rhinos conservation status. Diceros bicornis is in Central Africa, including Kenya, Tanzania, Cameroon, Africa South, Namibia, and Zimbabwe. Although this rhinos refers to a black creature, it is more gray-white in color. The name of this species was caused to be distinguished from the white rhino. This is a mistake because the two species cannot really be distinguished by color. Before 1960, the National Park Mkomazi, Lake Victoria, there were 700 individuals, and each year the population decreased as a result of increased human activity that is too close to protected area boundaries. Increased human population, which then praises the area for wildlife. 1989, Operation Uhai, a rescue operation that coincided with a world ban on the ivory trade. Three remaining rhino habitats, Kawa Ngorongoro National Park, Serengeti, and Selo Game Reserve. In 2006, Trinity acquired 32 black rhinos from private farms, and translation effort is scheduled for an 2010 and will take 3 years. Singiti Gumeti Reservoir has a long-term plan to translate the black rhino into the Serengeti ecosystem and is committed to supporting effort to conserve wildlife in this ecosystem. Habitat. The habitat of the black rhino in Serengeti is around 40 to 133 kilometers. 1992 restricted to the area around more Kopjes. The population is increasing, expanding their reach so that the officers were forced to push them back into the prohibited area. Hunting. 19 and 96, as a result of strengthening law enforcement, there are no reports related to poaching of black rhinos in Tanzania. The last poaching case occurred in 19 and 1996 when a Ngorongoro hunter shot a female rhino. The new rhino population protection established in 2001 faced a high potential poaching risk as it is close to the international border area between Tanzania and Kenya. However, with the active cooperation between the countries, they eventually formed active cross-border hunting patrols so as to reduce hunting pressure. Next challenge: coordinating rhino conservation effort in forest-scattered habitats. A strategy to manage the remaining 32 rhinos, which will be translated into Serengeti, so that the newly arrived black rhinos and the old inhabitants who were previously in a small population can mix and be able to reproduce. For the success of the conservation program, both domestic and foreign human resources and needed with the aim of formulating a conservation strategy. This is acceptable to all stakeholders and increasing the growth of renewable population by expanding their habitat in protected areas and protecting them from poaching. And thank you guys.